Today we'll take up the topic complex salts. Now, what are complex salts? When two salt solutions combine together to form a new compound in which the constituent ions lose their identity. The resulting compounds are known as complex salts. Now, on ionization, they give complex ions in solution. For example, if we combine ferrous sulfate with potassium cyanide, we get a ferrocyanide ion FeCN2 and potassium sulfate. Now when this ferrocyanide ion is again combined with potassium cyanide, we get a complex salt, potassium ferrocyanide. Now when this potassium ferrocyanide is dissolved in water, what we get potassium ions and a complex ion, ferrocyanide ion. Now in the above compound, it is not possible to get free ferrous ions and cyanide ions, but we can have a test for the complex ferrocyanide ions. Now these salts are generally of the following three types. A cationic complex. In these complexes, the complex ion is a cation. For example, tetramine cupric sulfate. When we form tetramine cupric sulfate, we have the ion CuNH3 with a positive charge and sulfate ion. Similarly, we have got anionic complexes. Now in these complexes, the complex ion is a anion. Example, K2NiCN4. When it is dissolved in water, it gives you potassium ions and nickel cyanide ions, nickel tetracyanide ion, which is a anion. Then the third type is molecular complexes. Now in these compounds, they do not ionize in solution, that is, it exists as a molecule, that is the cation or the anion as well as the complex ion. It is enclosed in one single bracket, a square bracket. For example, we find PTNH3Cl2, CrH2O3Cl3. Now what we observe here is that it is a molecular complex because the negative and positive charge is absent, and we get a single compound.